Hello everyone, and welcome to Electrifi Research Spotlight. In this series, we will review research studies that demonstrate how highly conductive 3D printing materials can enable functional electronic devices. Today, we're looking at a paper from Nanjing Normal University describing a compact circularly polarized patch antenna fabricated using electrified conductive filament and dual extruder 3D printing. This work highlights how conductive additive manufacturing can be used to fabricate microwave components directly using a standard fused filament fabrication or FFF printer. Patch antennas are widely used in wireless communication systems, including satellite communications, sensing systems, and RF electronics. Traditionally, patch antennas are manufactured using printed circuit board fabrication, where a copper layer is patterned on a dielectric substrate. However, these conventional fabrication methods limit the geometry and structural complexity of antenna designs. Researchers have been exploring whether 3D printing could provide greater design freedom, enabling compact antennas and new architectures that are difficult to fabricate using traditional PCB techniques. One challenge is that most previously reported 3D printing antennas only print the dielectric structure, while the conductive metal layer still requires copper tape, electroplating, or other secondary processes. In this study, the researchers aim to fabricate both the dielectric and conductive structures directly through 3D printing. To achieve this, the researchers used electrified conductive filament, a copper-based composite material designed for fused filament fabrication. Most conductive filaments based on carbon or graphene fillers typically have conductivities in the range of 10 to 100 Siemens per meter. Electrifi offers significantly higher conductivity. In this study, the measured conductivity of the printed Electrifi structures was approximately 2,500 Siemens per meter in the operating frequency range between 0.72 and 2.5 GHz. This higher conductivity allows Electrifi to support the RF currents required for antenna operation, making it possible to fabricate microwave devices using standard desktop 3D printing equipment. The antenna was fabricated using a dual extruder fused filament fabrication process. In this system, two different materials are printed simultaneously. PLA was used as the dielectric substrate, while Electrifi was used to print the conductive antenna structures. The reported printing parameters included PLA printing with a nozzle temperature of 189 degrees Celsius and a printing speed of 60 millimeters per second. Electrifi printing used a lower extrusion temperature of 145 degrees Celsius and a printing speed of 15 milliliters per second. The antenna design also incorporates metal blind vias beneath the patch structure. These vias introduce additional capacitance, which helps reduce the operating frequency and enables a more compact antenna geometry. By combining conductive and dielectric materials in a single printing process, the entire antenna structure can be produced layer by layer. Two antenna designs were fabricated and experimentally tested. The antennas operate at approximately 1.54 to 1.78 GHz. The first antenna achieved a maximum measured gain of about 3.62 dB with a radiation efficiency of approximately 60%. A second design using a non-uniform dielectric structure achieved similar results, with a peak gain of approximately 3.35 dB and a radiation efficiency around 55%. These results demonstrate that conductive polymer composites can be used to fabricate functional RF antennas directly using additive manufacturing. This research highlights an important opportunity for conductive additive manufacturing. By combining conductive materials like Electrifi with conventional thermoplastics, engineers can fabricate fully integrated electronic structures using standard 3D printers. Instead of assembling multiple parts or performing additional metallization steps, devices such as antennas, sensors, and circuits can potentially be printed in a single manufacturing process. The design freedom provided by 3D printing also allows engineers to explore new geometries that are difficult or impossible to fabricate using traditional techniques. From a materials perspective, this study highlights the importance of electrical conductivity in enabling functional printed electronics. Most conductive filaments today rely on carbon-based fillers, which often limit their performance in RF or power applications. Copper-based conductive composites such as Electrifi significantly expand the range of devices that can be fabricated using additive manufacturing. As conductive materials continue to improve, we may see 3D printing used for applications including RF components, embedded sensors, printed circuits, electromagnetic shielding structures. Indeed, as the authors of this research point out, their antennas can demonstrate higher radiation gain and efficiency if the conductivity of the conductive polymer is further improved. If you are conducting research using Electrifi conductive filament, we would love to hear about your work. Your research may be featured in a future Electrifi Research Spotlight. To learn more about Electrifi conductive filament, please visit multi3dmaterials.com. Thank you for watching.